Ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not just your tummy talking, it's science. When you haven't eaten for a while, your stomach and intestines start contracting to clean out leftover food and gas. These movements, called migrating motor complexes, create the rumbling sound we know as stomach growling. But here's the kicker. It's not always about hunger. Your stomach can growl even when it's full. It's just quieter because food muffles the sound. And if it happens in public? Don't worry. It's your body's way of saying, hey, I'm working here. Cool, right? Like, share, and subscribe for more fun science facts.